Welcome to Casa DeClaire, a beautiful house in the amazing Vieques, Puerto Rico, with spectacular panoramic ocean views. This home consists of a 4-bedroom main house, which sleeps up to 10 people, 3 apartments, which each sleep 2 people, and a bunkhouse, which sleeps 4. This house is therefore perfect for a family getaway and ideal for friends interested in a group retreat. All rental units at Casa DeClaire share access to the pool and relaxing patio area, which features a poolside cabana with kitchen containing a refrigerator, blender, ice maker, microwave, and gas grill to ensure that you enjoy the outdoor living space as you relax, unwind, and become one with nature. Enjoy the ocean views from the second-floor balconies as well as the rooftop deck as you relax at the bar or play a game of pool. Be surrounded by the amazing tropical trees. Take delight in your tropical oasis. This property provides easy access to various beaches on the island, as well as sports, adventure, and leisure activities. Whatever your heart desires can be experienced in Puerto Rico at this amazing property.